Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In today's episode, we will be learning how to create a clan in Clash Royale. To create a new clan in Clash Royale, first of all, launch open the Clash Royale application on your device. Once you're inside this main homepage, tap on the Clans tab at the bottom, which looks like a shield icon. Now, click on the Show button at the bottom and then tap on the Create New button at the bottom of the screen on the next page. Fill in the clan details, type in your clan's name, you may choose a unique name for your clan, describe your clan, select a badge to represent your clan, and also make sure to choose your clan type, required minimum trophies for players to join into the clan, and once you've filled all of these details, you can tap on the Create button at the bottom. Let me quickly fill in my clan details and come back to you. After you are done, you can tap on the Create button at the bottom, and in order to create a new clan, you will need to spend 1000 coins. You have now successfully created a new clan. After creating your clan, you will be the clan leader and can invite members, set rules, and lead the clan in wars. So that is how you easily create a clan in Clash Royale. If you found the video to be helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more videos like this. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.